Yo, what's up guys? I'm about to install a new mod on the S2000 right now, and it's gonna honestly change the whole perspective of the car. It's gonna look sick as hell, and we'll take a look. So here it is, guys. Here's a new mod for the S2K. A Recaro pole position, bro. Damn, I can't wait to install this bad boy. It's gonna change the whole perspective, and it's gonna feel like a track car now, for real. All right, let's go on with this install now. All right guys, so here's the OEM seats. Here's how the interior is looking right now, but it's time to spice it up a little bit. We're gonna take out this bad boy right now and put in that new one. All right, let's get to it. All right, so here I pulled out the OEM seat now and vacuumed in here to make it look pretty nice. And there's the OEM seat with the Recaro. Let's give it a look. Here's the difference. Oh wow, dude, can't wait. It's gonna look badass. Oh hell yeah, let's do it. Yo, what's up guys? So I just finished up right now, and here's the final product. Damn, that looks so hard. There's the 4 bolts, the connection, and then get the seatbelt in. Damn, bro, that shit looks hard as hell. What's up guys? It's a new day and I'm here in the car. Brought the S2000 now. I'm right now at CSUN Northridge, but I'm gonna show you guys the seat. That thing goes hard. It feels amazing. So here's the seat again. Damn, bro. I just ordered the little cover right now. I got it a few days ago. But here's the cockpit now. Looks amazing, dude. It's starting to become a track car, slowly but surely. Here's how the car sits right now. Let's get this angle with the sun hitting it, but there you go. Damn, bro. We've come a long ways with this car.